A mass shooting in the French Quarter, and prosecutors claim they found a literal smoking gun as the man accused of opening fire on people outside of the French Quarter Fest claims he acted in self-defense. WDSU reporter Jonah Gilmore live. And Jonah, you just uncovered new details about the shooting and about this claim of self-defense.
Yeah, Travis, for the first time we heard from the defense, who said the man accused of shooting into a crowd and injuring 5 people may have simply been trying to protect himself.
A person like that, I don't believe, should be out on the streets.
Thursday, a judge set a $2 million bond for Christopher Parker, the man accused of shooting and injuring 5 people in the French Quarter moments after the French Quarter Festival. New details we uncovered show Parker may have been involved in a fight before shots were fired into a crowd. According to an affidavit, all 5 victims reported they saw the fight before they were shot.
No matter how mad he might have been, no matter how justified he might have felt for his actions, the fact that when he started firing that firearm, he hit nothing but innocent people.
Officers who arrested Parker say he was found with a gun on him that was, quote, too hot to touch.
It wasn't a revolver or a regular handgun. It had an extended clip.
In court, Parker's attorney revealed the 25-year-old was near the fight and he acted in self-defense.
It doesn't appear to be a viable defense in the situation that he randomly shot into this crowd.
According to security expert Mike Kahn, if the defense uses that claim, they will need concrete evidence.
It has to show that your life or the life of someone around you is put into a situation where it's a deadly act and you have to use deadly force in order to defend it.
Parker's defense plans to prove his innocence, but the DA says they're planning for justice.
He's got a right to a defense. We look forward to trying the case across the street.
If Parker makes that $2 million bond, he will be placed on an ankle monitor, must sign a protective order, and will be under 24-hour home incarceration. Reporting live from criminal court, Jonah Gilmore, WDSU News.